Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So inshallah today we will talk about how to make a noun definite. So here we have bait or baytun. You can see the tanween at the end, right? When we add alif and lam to it, it becomes definite. So and then it loses the tanween. So Dhamma 10 becomes a single Dhamma when we add alif and lam. So Baytun becomes al-Baytu, a house, the house. So this is a house. And this is the house. A house. Similarly, we have qalamun, a pen, al-qalam, the pen. And then we have kitabun, a book. So this is pen, a pen, and then here it becomes the pen. So all we have to do is to add alif and lam and get rid of the tanween. Similarly, we have kitabun, a book, al-kitabu, the book, jamalun, a camel, al-jamalu, the camel. So that's one of the key concepts in this lesson. We now take this concept and we apply it to a nominal sentence. So here we have al-qalamu, the pen, and maksurun, this means broken. But in Arabic together, it's a sentence. The pen is broken. The pen is broken. So the whole thing, you can translate it as the pen is broken. So you notice that in Arabic, we don't have this is, but it's implied because of the structure of the sentence. Now, if I were to add alif and lam to maksur, so let's say I had al-qalamul maksur, what would that mean? Al-qalamul maksur, it would mean the broken pen. The broken pen. You see, to make it into a sentence, it has to follow this structure. The subject has alif and lam, and the predicate doesn't have it. So this is al-qalam al-maksur, the broken pen. Another thing we can do is to get rid of the alif and lam for both of them. What would that mean? So if we had qalamun maksurun, So this would mean a broken pen. A broken pen. Broken pen. You see, by just tweaking where we have the alif lam and where we don't have it, we have different meanings. Another thing we could do is to have alif and lam only on the second part, and we get rid of it from here. So that would cover all the 4 possibilities. So in math, when you have two things in a sequence, and each one has 2 possibilities, in total we have four possibilities. So we're looking at 3 of the possibilities. The last possibility is to have no alif and lam on the first word, and then to have it on the second word. This does not exist in Arabic. Well, it sort of doesn't exist. When I say sort of, there's something called taqdeem and ta'khir. So sometimes we swap the position of things. So, for instance, we could say maksurun al-qalam when we mean the pen is broken, but the emphasis is different. So here we're emphasizing the fact that the brokenness is what we're emphasizing if we did that, but you can ignore that. And you can ignore that because it's not a grammar thing. It's more like something you learn in al-balagha or rhetoric. So in Arabic rhetoric, you learn, different styles for different effects, but we're not going to go there in this class. So you can assume that this is not a possibility. It does not exist. So you only have to worry about 3 cases when the subject when we have the first word with alif wa lam and the second one without, and that is a nominal sentence. So that's in Arabic, it's called jumla ismiya. Jumla, or jumla means sentence. Ismiya means it starts with a noun or nominal. Okay, ismiya. Jumlatun ismiya. No, nominal sentence in English. Nominal because it starts with a noun. Sentence. Okay. This has covered almost all the concepts in this lesson, except for a couple. Let's see. So here's another example. Al-babu maftuhun. The door is open. The door. Your question? The door, which is this word, the door is open. And open is maftuh, this one. Maftuh, open. Okay, so the next example introduces and. I think we've already seen it. So and. So here we have two sentences that we're connecting together with and. The first one is the boy is sitting. Al-waladu jalisun. The boy, let me erase that. The boy is seated. Let me know if this space is too slow. I can speed it up. So the boy is seated in blue. And then we have the second part of the sentence, which is al-mudarrisu waqifun. And the teacher is standing. The teacher, al-mudarrisu, is standing. Standing. So we have introduced nominal sentences. We've also introduced how to connect two nominal sentences with were and let's take a look at more examples. So we have al-kitabu jadidun, the book is new. The book is new. Wal-qalamu qadimun, and the pen is old. A second example, al-himaru, the donkey, saghirun, is small. Wal-hisanu kabirun, and the horse is big. Wal-hisanu kabirun, and the horse is big. Third example, al-kursiyu maksurun, the chair is broken. The same maksur that we learned earlier about the first sentence with a pen, maksur. So we're using it for the chair now. Al-kursiyu maksur, the chair is broken. Al-mindilu wasikhun, the handkerchief or the napkin is dirty. The napkin is dirty. The napkin is dirty. Dirty will be with an I. Okay. The next one is al-ma'u, the water, baridun, is cold. Al-ma'u barid, the water is cold. The water is cold. Is cold. So this is water and this is cold. The next one is al-qamaru, the moon, jamilun, is beautiful. Al-baytu, a house, qaribun, is near. Wal-masjidu ba'idun, and the mosque is far. Al-hajaru thaqilun, the rock is heavy. Wal-waraqu, and the paper khafifun, is light. So this is basically saying rocks are heavy and paper is light. If you want to do a free translation, the literal translation would be the rock is heavy and the paper is light. So sometimes when we use al, we mean the category, like the category of paper is light. The category of rocks is heavy. اللبن حار. The milk is hot. The milk, or when you're doing a free translation, you would skip the in English. You just say milk is hot. Oh, actually, that's not right. In this case, it would be the milk is hot. But let's say that you're talking about a property of milk that's true for all milk. Like say milk is white. Then you say اللبن أبيض. اللبن أبيض. The milk is white. In that case, in the free translation, you would not need to add the. But that's not the case here. القميص نظيف. The shirt is clean. The shirt is clean. The shirt is clean. It's clean. Clean. Okay. All right. Any questions so far?
No, not
Okay.
in the moment. Thank you.
So now we have the exercises. So we'll take turns in reading the words here and try to put the right ending. Is it with tanween or not tanween? Okay. So let's start with the 9. Want to go first?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's start here.
Masjidun.
Very good. Next one. Continue.
Masjidu al masjid.
Try to read it with
Masjidun
the ending. Masjidun, and then the next one.
al masjidu.
Very good. So this one has tanween because it doesn't have alif and lam. This one does not have tanween. Okay. Now
Yeah.
the next one. At the 9, you're gonna read the whole line basically. At the 9, are you still there?
Oh yeah. Al maun. Al
Al-ma'u. Al-ma'u.
ma'u.
Try
Ma
to say ma. Try to say ma and not more. Ma.
ma. Al
Al-ma'u.
ma al ma'u. Ma
No, read it with the ending.
ma'u.
No, it
Ma'u.
will be
Al ma'u.
ma'un.
Ma'un.
Yeah, exactly. So this one, because it has alif and lam, there's no tanween. This one, it has to have the tanween because there's no alif and lam. That's what they're testing here, basically. If you see alif or lam, no tanween. If there's no alif or lam, you add tanween. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Tanween is like A in English. So
Okay.
this is like what the tanween is. Okay?
Yeah.
So when you don't have the tanween, it's like the in English. Of course, it's more complicated because you have the no tanween We also have the alif and lam. These together is the in Arabic. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So go ahead. Next one.
Uh, Al-Baytu.
Very good.
Al-Baytu. Babun.
Babun. Very good.
Ba,
Next one.
Qal, Qalamun.
Very good.
Qalamun. Al-Qalamu.
Very good. Okay, that's it. Um, Duchess, you wanna go next?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Al-Kalbu.
El-Kelb.
Al-Kalbu.
The difference between this and paw, this is paw, this is ke.
Okay.
Yeah. El-Kelbu.
Kalbu.
Next one.
Kalbun.
Very good. Next one.
Qamisun.
Very good. Next one.
Waladun.
Very good. Next one.
Al-Hajar.
Can you read it with the ending?
Al-Hajaru.
Very good. El-Hajaru. Next one.
Al-Waladu.
Very good. Next one. Next one.
Hamarun.
Himarun.
Oh, Himarun.
Hmm. So this is a donkey. Sorry, a donkey. And then this is
Al-Himaru.
Al-Himar, the donkey.
Okay.
There's one more.
Al-Hassan.
Al-Hison.
Al-Hisan.
Yeah, that's all. The horse. I mean,
Hisanun.
very good. Okay, that completes that exercise. The next exercise is about
I
nominal
have
sentences. Yeah? You have
I
a
have a
question?
yeah. Uh,
Go ahead.
how to know where to put the zir, like al hisar.
The vowels.
Yeah.
So you have to learn that when you learn the word. So
Okay.
that's why you need to, practice and yeah.
Okay.
Because
I
when you
understand.
when you change the vowels, a
Uh-huh.
lot of the time it changes the meaning.
Okay.
So yeah. For instance, al-hajar means the rock or the stone, but al-hijr means the house.
Mhm.
Also, al-hijr can also means intelligence.
Okay.
So the meaning changes when you change the vowels.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
The next exercise is about nominal sentences. What you do here is we will take turns reading one line, and then you tell us what the sentence means. So you want to start at the line?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Al al maktab
Al-maktabu
al maktabu maksurun maksurun
maksurun. So
maksurun.
what you did, you said maksuran. This is something we've never met in this course, but we
Yeah.
will. We will need cases where we have maksuran like this, but
Mhm.
in all the lessons we've done so far, you're never gonna see, at least for a long time, you're not gonna see this. Okay.
Okay.
Also, we have maksurin. You're also not gonna see that for a while. Okay.
Mhm.
These are called cases. Okay. This is the in Arabic, this is known as mansub, and this is
Mhm.
known as majrur. So we're not going to see this for some time. The simple sentences do not involve changing the cases. Okay?
Yeah.
So al-maktabu maksur. What does it mean?
Al-maktab is maksurun is broken.
So
Uh,
together,
al-mak
al-maktab is the desk. So
okay,
the
okay.
desk is broken.
Yeah.
Next one. Abdul Naim, it's still your
Yeah.
turn.
Al yeah. Al-madrasun
So here we're
jadi
al-mudarrisu.
okay.
So this is with the shadda, mudarrisu, the teacher, jadidun is new. Mudarrisu, jadidun. Okay.
Mudarris. Yeah.
Uh,
Al-mudarrisun al-mudarrisu jadidun. Jadi
al-mudarrisu, jadidun.
al-mudar jadidun.
Okay.
The teacher is
New
jadidun
is new.
big or new? Okay.
No, jadid is new. So the teacher is new.
Okay.
The next one, Duchess.
We have two
Yeah,
people
two.
that joined us.
Sorry?
Two new people are
Oh,
here.
we have other people? Oh,
Yeah.
no, let's see. So Abdul Abdul Rahman, you want to go next? Read these two sentences for us and tell us what they mean.
Al-qamisu was wasikh wasikhun.
Very good. What does it mean?
The shirt is dirty.
The shirt is dirty. Very good. Next one.
Al-labanu baridun. The milk
Very,
is cold.
very good. Al-labanu baridun. Al-labanu baridun. Okay. Adam, you want to go next? Adam, are you there? Listening says here.
Hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we hear you now. We hear you now.
Sorry, my mic was on mute. Okay. Okay. Al masjidu muftahun.
Maftuhun.
Maftu'un. Okay. Maftu'un. Al masjid maftu'un. The mosque is open.
Very good. Next one.
Okay. Al ajaru kebirun.
Very good. What does it mean?
Big.
The rock is big. Very good.
Okay, the rock is big. Okay.
So I think, no, it's Duchess has 3 now.
Okay. اللبن برد والمها
So this would be baridun.
بارد.
Yeah. So the word you mentioned is barut.
برد.
Barut, it means cold, like the weather. Like, so this is barut is a noun. It's a noun, like the cold weather or coldness. But barid is an adjective. So it means cold. Okay. So the second part is والماء حار. This is shut down as well.
What does it mean?
And the water is hot.
Okay. I don't think we found out. Okay. Al-Muhandiso.
Yes. Jalisun.
Jalisun wal-Mudarris
والمدرس
waqf.
واقف.
Waqif.
So what does it mean? Al-Muhandisu is the engineer. Al-Muhandisu, the engineer.
Sat.
Yeah, the engineer is sitting.
Okay.
والمدرس واقف.
Teacher
And the teacher
is standing.
is standing. Very good. Okay, next one. This will be Abdunai. Single. Go ahead.
Al-Khamru.
Al-Qameru. This is a fatha.
Al-Khamaru. Ba'idun.
Very good. What does it mean?
The moon is
Far.
okay.
The moon is far away.
far.
And the next one?
Al-Mandilu.
Al-Mindilu.
Al-Mindilu. Nasifun.
Nazifun. Oops.
Nazifun.
Yeah. So what does it mean?
No idea.
So this is the handkerchief or the napkin is clean.
Okay.
So the napkin is clean. The napkin. Napkin is clean. All this theatrics is so that it will help you guys to remember the words. The napkin and mendil, is clean. I know it slows down the pace of the lesson, but it helps to reinforce the lesson. Go ahead, Duchess, with your question.
Yes, sir. So I wanted to ask about what's that? Give me 1 second. the mudaris and the muallim. Which one is more appropriate to call a teacher?
Both are used. So mudarris. So darrasa means to teach. Allama means is to impart knowledge. So al-muallimu is somebody who imparts knowledge. Al-mudarrisu is somebody who teaches, like literally standing in the classroom and teaching and writing stuff on the board. That's al-mudarris. But al-muallim is probably more general. Even if you write a book, you send it to people to read, or you create a video, you're still a muallim, sort of. But mudarris is you're physically in class and teaching. It's not all the difference, but yeah, that's one way to think of it. But you can apply both of them to a teacher. Now, you have other words that are used. Let's say if you're in university, you have al-ustad, for instance. This is another word. Al-ustad means professor. You could use it in lower levels, but it's more common in the university. You also have a sheikh, So depending on the context, for instance, if say somebody that doesn't just teach you knowledge, but they also teach you, say, akhlaq, they teach you iman and stuff like that, then it becomes like sheikh and not just mudarris or muallim. I don't know if that helps.
Yes, it does. Thank you. Okay. And the new words, if you could please give us individually so that I can write it down.
I think if you watch the recording, it will be there. And we also have, they're spelled out. Okay, I'll do that in the end. Okay, so we also have another exercise here. Here, you have to pick a word to complete the sentence. So here we have al-hajar, and you have to pick one of these to finish the sentence. So let's do one each. So let's start with, let's go in alphabetical order now. So we will start with, it will be Adam that will be first alphabetically. Adam, you want to go first?
Let me see here.
Let me see if I can help.
A rock.
So Al-Hajar, the rock. Let me just remind you the meaning of all the words. Jamilun means beautiful. Wasikhun, dirty. Maftuhun, open. Harun, hot. Okay, let me annotate them. Thaqilun, heavy. Khafifun, light.
Okay, so I'm going in right there. Okay, so al-ajaru thaqilun. The rock is heavy.
Very good. Thaqilun. Our next person would be Abdul Rahman, I believe.
Al-babu maftuhun.
Very good. What does it mean?
The door is open.
Very good. Maftuhun. The next person would be Abdul Naim.
Al-Khamaru Jamilun.
Very good.
The moon
What
is
does it mean?
The moon is beautiful.
Very good. Okay, we'll be Duchess now. So it will be this one.
Al-warq.
Al-waraqu.
Al-warq.
Al-waraq. It means paper. So blue paper.
Wasihan.
Wasikhun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would work. But you can also use this one.
Khafif. Yeah.
Khafifun, which is light. So wasikhun. That works too. So the paper is dirty. Okay. Good stuff. We have al-mindilu. Anyone wants to volunteer for this one? The napkin. Yeah.
That would be the Wasihan. I said initially.
Okay, so wasikhun. The napkin is dirty. Yeah, that works. And then we have al-labanu.
Yeah, اللبن.
So to use this one,
Yeah.
the milk is hot. So to say harun. Harun. Okay. So let's see, there's more of that. Okay, so that's the end of that exercise. We have one more exercise and then we'll review the new vocabulary, inshallah. Okay, so this time let's take, everybody reads those two exercises. So let's start backwards this time. So Duchess, you want to go first? So you need to find a word to complete the sentence. So, and the missing word is the first word. So the second word is usually an adjective. So in this case, we have nadifun, meaning clean. Nadifun, clean.
Okay. Al-maqsoor.
Maksur means broken. So what would you say is clean and what would you say is broken? So you need to put a word before. Just to help you,
Kitun.
Al-Qittu, the
Al-kitun.
cat, yeah. The cat
is clean.
Yeah, Al-Qittu.
Al-babu. Maqsoor.
Al-what?
Babu.
Al-Babu. Okay. And what would that mean?
The door is broken.
Very good. So the next person would be Abdul-Naim. So we have Baridun, meaning cold. So what would come first? And we have Qaribun, meaning close or near. Go ahead.
Is that me or?
It's Abdul-Naim.
Okay.
We're going backwards alphabetically.
Okay, yeah. So, Baridun is cold, and Qaribun is near.
Yeah, but you have to make a sentence with cold. You have to say something is cold, something is near. You have to pick one of the nouns. Make sure it has alif and lam, and then you form a sentence that way. Let me go up, and you can see some of the words we used in the past. So basically, one of these nouns, or any noun that you like, that you remember what it means, we can just put it here. For instance, you could say the water is cold.
Oh, okay. The water is cold.
So what would be the water in Arabic? So the water in Arabic is al-ma'u. Al-ma'u, the water.
Al Al-Maun.
Sorry, al-ma'u. Because we
Al-Mau.
have alif wal lam, we cannot have
Yeah.
pronoun. Al-ma'u
Al-Mau baridun.
baridun. Very good. And what does that mean
Baridun.
again?
The water is cold.
Very good. Next one. We have
Uh,
qaribun.
Qaribun is near. So Al-Masjidu Qaribun.
Very good. So here we have al-ma'u baridun and al-masjidu al-masjidu. How to write with a mouse? Masjidu Qariban. The mosque is near. Next we have Adam. Adam, I think you're muted.
Ba'id is near or far? It's near?
Ba'id is far.
Far. Ba'id, okay. Okay, far, okay. Al-Baytu ba'idu.
The house is Qarib is near, Ba'id is far. So
Okay.
al-Baytu
Ba'idu.
Ba'idun. Meaning,
So
yeah.
It is waqifu.
Waqifun means standing.
Is what?
Standing.
Okay. Al-Mu'andisu waqifu. The engineer is standing.
Engineer is standing. Okay. Al-Muhandisu, the engineer. Muhandisu. Okay. Al-Muhandisu
Waqifu.
Waqifun. The engineer is standing. And here we have Jalisun, meaning sitting.
Sitting.
And we have Kabirun, meaning big.
Okay.
And Jalisun, sitting. So the next person is, I believe, let's see. We have reverse alphabet. Abdul Rahman, I believe.
Yes.
Abidur Rahman. Abidur Rahman. Next.
Yes. Al-waladu jalisun.
Very good. And what does that mean?
The boy is sitting.
Very good. Next one.
Al-hajaru kabirun.
Very good.
The rock is big.
Very good. And Hajaru. Oops. And Hajaru. Sorry, I'm doing this theatrics. Just with remembering. Al-Hajaru. Oops, I made another mistake. You guys saw the mistake? I put a tanween.
Yeah, you cannot have tanween on the alif line.
Sorry, say that again.
I said this.
الحجر كبير.
Yes.
Yes.
A rock is big. Adam, you were saying?
So the haraka tanween after the. I say you cannot have both the.
Yeah, exactly. You cannot have both the al and the tanween. Okay. So the next person will be. Have we gone through everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4. So anybody wants to volunteer for this one? Qadimun means old.
Okay. Okay, I can try.
Yeah,
Ashew Qadim.
Shaykhu Qadim.
Qadim.
Shaykhu. Although we usually don't use Qadim with people.
Oh, okay.
Shaykhu Qadim. We usually use it for things like, say, the moon is old.
Oh, okay.
But it's fine for our purpose. Jadidun means new. So, any volunteer?
Miftahun al-miftahu jadid.
Al-miftahu, the key, is new. Al-miftahu jadidun. The key is new. Okay. We've done all the exercises, and here are the new words. So al-qamaru means the moon. I'm not going to put the article just to save time. The moon. Nadifun is clean. In a hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, he says, an-nadhafatu min al-iman. Cleanliness is part of iman. Kabir means big. So this word kabir is the word from which we form akbar. When we say Allahu Akbar, we're saying Allah is the greatest. Because kabir can also mean great. Great, mighty, big, those are all meanings of kabir. Khafif means light. Light. Okay, light. Jadid means new. Har is hot. Maftu, open. Jamil is beautiful or handsome. Qadim, old. Barid, cold. Maksur, broken. Waqif, standing. Wasikh, dirty. صغير, small. ثقيل, heavy. جالس, sitting. Now, one word about qadim. What I said earlier is not completely accurate, that we don't use it for people. We do. But it's a subtlety in meaning that it's hard for me to explain. But yeah. Qadim, old. Yeah, just take it as old. You can apply it to people or to things for now. Yeah.
What about ageless?
Sorry?
Ageless
Hajab?
for the last one.
Ijlis? Oh, okay. So ijlis is it's a verb form for sitting. So in Arabic, we kind of hinted at this, that in Arabic, we usually have verbs. So for instance, jalasa in this case, jalasa. And from this verb, we will form multiple words. So jalasa, yajlisu. So he sat. This is he sat. Okay. Yajlisu means he's sitting. And then from that you have jalisun, meaning someone that's sitting. You have jilsa, the sitting, a gathering where people are seated. We have majlis, a place where people assemble to sit and make an assembly. We have majlis. We have so many words that are derived from a single word like jalasa. So ijlis is the imperative form of yajlisu, meaning sit. So you're giving a command to someone to sit. So ijlis, ijlis. Just like iqra, iqra is a command to read. Ijlis. It is sukun. Iqra, read. Iqra. But the original form is qara'a. He read. Iqra would be the imperative form. Okay? So there are multiple forms, but one of them is the imperative form for telling people what to do. Imperative form, or in Arabic, what is called fi'l al-amr. Fi'l al-amr, imperative form, or fi'l al-amr. So fi'l al-amr literally means the verb of command. Fi'l al-amr. Amr is also the word from which we form Amir, the person who gives the order, who gives the command, the commander, the Amir, or the Emir. So you see, in Arabic, everything is connected. If we start going, we'll never stop. So I'll just pause it there. So we have some more vocabulary here. So Najmun star, or star, and Najmu, the star. Dikun, a rooster. I think we've seen these words before. A rooster and the rooster. Rajulun, a man, the man. And then we have talibun, a student, and the student. Student. Okay, let's keep going. I think that should be. Okay, this is another exercise. The goal of this exercise is, if you have more words, sorry, it's longer than I thought we were done. Okay, let's keep going. So a talib, the student. So the goal of this exercise is to match the subject with a predicate. So here we have a subject of a sentence, and here we have the predicate. And remember, the predicate is always indefinite, and the subject is definite with alif or lam. So the goal is to match a subject with a predicate so it can form a sentence. Is it clear? So you would take, so let's start with Abdul Naim. You would take a talib and then you match it with one of these words to make a sentence that makes sense. A talibu, the student. Go ahead. So ladis means delicious. Delicious, like a meal, delicious meal. I hope I can spell this correctly. Delicious. Maksur, broken. Sakil, heavy. Maftur, open. Marid, sick. In the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, I think it says, Man kana maridan aw ala safarin. If you're sick or on a journey, فعدة من أيام أخر. You don't have to fast. You can make it up with a few other days in the future. Harun is hot. Hot. Okay. So Abdul Naim, go ahead. الطالب. As you're speaking, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Now we can hear you. الطالب.
الطالب, the student. The student.
I would say this one.
Sick.
Yeah. الطالب مريض. The student is sick.
الطالب مريض.
Very good. This word ad-dukan means a store or a shop. Dukan. Okay.
Yeah.
So the next person would be Abidur Rahman. Abidur Rahman.
Yes.
So,
الدكان
mhm.
مفتوح.
Very good. The shop is open.
The shop is open.
Yeah. Next person is Adam. Adams.
Okay. That would be
At-tufahu. You know what it means?
no.
At-tufahu is the.
Ah,
I'll let you remember it.
too far. I don't know.
Apple, the apple.
Apple. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Atufahu la season.
So ladidun, very good.
Ladidun.
So the apple is delicious. Now we have al-ma'u, water. The water. Who wants to go next? Sorry, we're going in this order. So we have Duchess. Maybe your turn now.
Yes. Almahu Harun.
Very good. The water is hot. And the last person is I think that's everybody. Did we do everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we need a volunteer now. Who wants to do Al-Hajaru, the rock?
Hajarun Sakilun.
Very good. Al-Hajaru Thaqilun. Another volunteer for Al-Qalamu.
القلم مكسور.
Very good. The pen is broken.
Then it's
Okay.
broken.
So now for more vocabulary. Hulun means sweet, like candy. Tawilun means long, like a table, long journey, etc. Long. Maridun, we've seen this one, sick. And then faqirun, poor. We have a dukano, a shop, or the shop. Qasirun, short. So it's the opposite of tawilun, long. We have ghaniyun, means rich. Rich. We have at-tufahu, the apple. So these are new vocabulary. Okay, and then let's keep going. Now, using the new vocabulary, we have more exercises. Actually, not exercise. We have more examples. So I'll go over the examples and then we'll do the exercises. And there's a lot of exercises. Okay, so maybe we won't do all the exercises. But let me just go through the examples and then we can close it for today, inshallah. النجم بعيد. Unless you guys insist that we do the exercises. النجم, the star, بعيد, is far. So the star is far. So the opposite of بعيد is قريب. So in the Quran, ويرونه وترونه بعيدا ونراه قريبا. You see it as far away the day of Qiyamah, but we see it as close. ترونه بعيدا ونراه قريبا. الرجل واقف. The man is standing. The man is standing. He's standing. So one question for you guys. If I wanted to say the standing man, what do I need to change? If I want to say the standing man, so use this as a, not as a predicate, but as an adjective. What do I need to change here?
الرجل أو واقف أو واقف.
الرجل الواقف. الرجل الواقف. So basically we'll do alif and lam for both of them. الرجل. Oops. Come on. Okay. الرجل الواقف. Like that. Okay, so we have alif and lam here and alif and lam here. Now, one thing you'll notice with a lot of these verbs that we're just saying is that we're not pronouncing the lam. الرجل النجم السكر الطالب الدفتر الدكان. And there's a hint that's given to you by having a shadda on the first letter after the lam. That tells you the lam has become that letter. That's why the letter is doubled. Okay, it's almost like we're saying ar-rajulu is this. So the lam has become the ra, and together, whenever you have a doubling like this in Arabic, we write it with a shadda. But in writing, we still preserve the lam, even though we don't pronounce it. So ar-rajulu. Is it clear? There's a name for letters where we have this behavior. These are called the sun letters. Al-huruf al-qamariyya. Al-huruf al-qamariyya. The sun letters. And the ones that we've seen up to now, where you always pronounce the lam, they are known as the al-huruf al-qamariyya, the moon letters. So al-huruf means letters. Ash-shamsiyya means sun letters. Shamsiyya. Just gonna write it in this form. Al-huruf al-shamsiyya and al-huruf al-qamariyya. We already know al-qamar is the moon. So qamariyya is just associated with the moon. So the moon letters. So we have moon letters and sun letters. Basically, if a letter is not a moon letter, it's a sun letter. If it's not a sun letter, it's a moon letter. So you're gonna have two categories. And we can list them, but I'm gonna assume that you already know what they are. Okay. Okay. Sukaru. The sugar is sweet or tasty. Yeah, sweet. Diku, the rooster, Jamilun, is beautiful. التاجر, the trader, is rich. غني. الولد, the boy, فقير, is poor. See, this is a moon letter. Wow is a moon letter, so there's no doubling. There's no shut down the wow. التفاح, ta is a sun letter, so we have a shadda. We don't pronounce the lam. التفاح, the apple is ladid, is delicious. الطبيب طويل, the doctor is tall. So earlier we said tawil means long, but it can also mean tall, okay? When applied to a human, tall or long. Okay, for طويل. المدرس قصير والمدرس قصير, and the teacher is short. So the teacher is short. Okay. This is an insult to the teacher, and they're praising the tabib in a way. The tabib is rich and tall, and the teacher is poor and short. But the teacher would earn his reward in heaven. So that's good. Okay. I think that's it. If you guys want us, we can go through this exercise. Okay. Let's just review this part. الحروف القمرية, the moon letters, والحروف الشمسية, the sun letters. So moon letters, and then we'll call it a day, inshallah. Moon letters, sun letters. One thing you notice, even right here, is that when we say ash-shamsiyya, we're already applying, there's a shadda here, and we're now pronouncing the lam. When we say al-qamariyya, we're pronouncing the lam, and there's no shadda on the qaf. So meaning qaf is a moon letter, and shin is a sun letter. But we'll get a longer list. So these are all the letters that are moon letters, and all the letters that are sun letters. So Hamza is a moon letter, Al-Ab, Ba, Al-Bad. So these are all moon letters. So Al-Bab, Al-Jannah, Al-Himam, Al-Khubz. Khubz means bread, by the way. Bread. Al-Ain, the eye. It also means a stream. In the Quran, when Allah describes Al-Jannah, He always describes places where we have roads with streams underneath, streams flowing underneath, rivers flowing underneath. Al-Ghada'u is breakfast. So Ghain is a moon letter. Fa is a moon letter. Al-Famu, the mouth. 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 Al-Qamaru, the moon, which we already know. Al-Kelbu, the dog. So Ka is also a moon letter. Al-Ma'u, water. Al-Waladu, the boy. Al-Hawa'u, air. Now, everything that's not on this list is a sun letter. Al-Yadu, a hand. the hand. So these are all the moon letters. There are 14 of them. The sun letters, there are also 14. So together we have 28 letters of the alphabet. Okay. So let's just go quickly. An-najm, the star, al-lahm, meat, the meat. So in the Quran, it says that لا يصل الله لحومها. The meats will not reach Allah. ولكن يناله but rather it is the faith, the iman. ينال الإيمان منكم. It is the iman from you that will reach Allah. Sorry, a taqwa. Is a taqwa from you that will reach Allah. ولكن يناله التقوى منكم. So الظهر is back. The back as in the back of a person. الطالب, we've seen this one before. The student, الضيف, the guest. Guest. In one hadith, the Prophet ﷺ said that Jibril used to warn me about a daif until I thought that he would inherit me. A sadr, chest, the chest. A shams, the sun, we already know that. One thing about shams that you might not know is that it's a feminine word. It's a feminine word, which is not something we've seen so far. Sun, in bracket, feminine. A samak is fish. A zahra is flower. The flower like rose and so on. A rajul, man. A zahra is feminine, but that's obvious because it has a feminine ending. Kama rubuta is a feminine ending. A dik is rooster. So a lot of vocabulary in this lesson. A dahab, gold. A dahab is gold. Al fidda is silver. A thawb, cloth. A tajir, a trader. Trader. The trader. Okay. I think that should do it for today. Do you have any questions before we close? Any questions on any of the concepts?
No question from here.
Okay. Any questions from anyone?
No.
Okay, so we can stop the recording. It's a long one this time.